All right, so we got a Maytag washer. Now I'm going to show you how to check your shift actuator. Now this can stop your washer from washing or spinning. So right now we're going to open the lid and I'm going to see where the tub location is. When your washers and drain and spin, everybody turns, right? This center agitator, if the washer is in spin, this piece will engage with the basket, meaning everybody will turn. Okay, so as of right now, the shifter is doing what it's supposed to do. It has locked into spin. The whole basket will turn. Now, we're gonna put it into wash. There's no water, so the washer, we have our lid bypass. So the washer is gonna do a slight agitation, getting the clothes ready. Then it should disconnect from spin and it should go into wash. And if your shifter is working, this portion only will be able to be turned. Okay? So let's put it into wash. And if you want, I'll just show you that it does spin. There we go. It'll lock again. That is lock. Takes a second. All right. Paused it. Unlocked. Beautiful. I'm gonna press and hold. Cancel. All right, so we're gonna go now. Normal. We'll say sensing. All that's normal for now. The valves will turn on. As you can see, still locked in. In a few minutes, you'll hear when the shifter disconnect. See that? That means your shifter is working. The washer is now in wash. All right, that's how you check your shift actuator if it's working correctly. Now, if we go back into drain and spin, this will get locked. Cancel. Drain and spin. That's going to go to there. Beautiful. Shifter's already locked. Look at that. Full basket moves. And that's how that goes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.